Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to tell you guys how to get the freeze frame pop-up filter on TikTok. Another name for it is the Photogenic check TikTok filter. But anyhow, if you're looking for this filter, just stay tuned. I'll show you guys how to get it. All you have to do is go over to TikTok, open up TikTok, and then head over to your Discover page. And then all you want to do at this point is you just want to go up to the top search bar. You just want to search for freeze frame pop-up. And basically what you want to do here is you just want to find a video with this filter on it. So if I just click on videos and start looking through here, we're just going to find someone with the filter on it. So just right here, as you guys see above the person's username, it just says freeze frame pop-up. So you just want to click on that. And then you want to click on add to favorites. So add it to your favorites so you're able to make your own TikTok videos with it. I hope I was able to help you guys out with showing you guys how to get the freeze frame pop-up filter on TikTok. If this was helpful to you, be sure to leave a like on the video and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.